Get it all to one side. Get it all to one side. You can do it. You can do it. Go. 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 Yeah!
I'll count that as a win.
I count that as a win too. It's rising.
I love the color.
So you're planning on filling up this container?
Not all the way.
Well, you're planning on filling it with 5 gallons.
Yeah, so
of
this
glue.
is 2 gallons.
Okay. And so your goal is to make 5 gallons worth of slime.
Fluffy slime.
Fluffy slime.
Yeah, so
How long do you think it's gonna take to do?
30 minutes.
30 minutes? No way. This took us like an hour. Now we're not slime professionals.
And it took 3 people. Okay, I'm gonna get 1 person.
Don't get that nice shirt dirty. That is a really nice shirt, yeah.
Long sleeves.
Long
One
sleeve.
only, man.
Limited edition. Do not get slime on that. What color are you gonna make your slime?
Blue.
Blue. Cool.
This used to be orange.
Well, it was kind of more like a peach, I guess. We messed up.
Okay.
All right. You gonna get started?
Yes.
Are you gonna try to make all of it at once, or are you gonna do it like a gallon at a time?
I'm gonna do a gallon at a time.
You're gonna go all the way down there? Your back's gonna get sore. This would be a nice pan of slime.
Yeah. It might be 2 at a time.
2 at a time? Yeah.
And just the regular.
Just
Look at that.
this is a slime life. I don't know, Hailey. This is gonna take you forever. Having second thoughts yet?
No.
No?
Maybe an hour.
Maybe an hour? Yeah. Okay, so on the table we go, and
I'm gonna add some food coloring, and I'm gonna start it off with white. And because I'm already mixing it in.
I like that. What's next? Start mixing?
Yeah, I guess so.
What's easier, making taffy or making slime?
Yeah, I think I might go for a sky blue. Yeah, it's starting to get pretty fluffy. I can already see the light blue.
All right, let's get a check-in update, Hailey. Where are we at now?
Okay, so I'm at the 4th gallon of glue, so I'm already done. And I just have 1 more gallon left, and I'm just adding in, I'm gonna be using a total of 5 shaving creams and 5 gallons of glue, and I'm going for a light blue. It's kind of like a baby blue.
Nice. It's looking more and more like fluffy slime.
Yeah, and at the end, I'm going to add the activator. I don't know if it's gonna be enough activator, but look at the bottom.
Yeah, it's getting there. I like that you're going blue. I like that, since we got this big thing of pink right here. So I like that.
Yeah, and then next, for our biggest one, we're gonna do green because it's slime.
Ooh. Still mixing. Oh, yeah, that's pretty good.
Go in circles.
That's why you're the slime expert. We don't think we did that. How's your arms feeling?
Kind of sore, but that's
Part of it, huh?
part of it, yeah.
Okay, so last gallon of glue is about to go in.
Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready. Oh, you're going up high on this one, huh? Okay, up high. So this is the 5th gallon?
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, it's just like sucking it in, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks cool though. It looks
Yeah.
kind of pearly. I don't know if you get that effect with it, but it looks pearly.
Woo. All right, Hailey, just so Macey doesn't think that she's gonna beat you, let's add a few drops of this. So it'll be 5 gallons and a few squirts. There we go.
Okay. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna add in the last drops of the dye.
Ooh.
Okay. I think that will do it.
All right.
Finish up my last container of shaving cream.
All right, we'll check back in a little while.
So I'm just now done finishing up, and this is what it looks like. I'm about to put in the activator. It's a nice baby blue color.
Oh, here comes the activator.
Add in a little.
Oh, you going hands already?
Yeah, man. Oh. It's starting to build up. Look at that.
Whoa, look at those big, you look like you have goalie gloves on, look.
I love the color. Pull it in. Work with it. Okay.
Do you need help?
I got it. Let me see. There's a spoon.
Oh, there's a spoon?
Yeah.
Oh, nice, just let that sink back in there.
Yeah.
Get that later. Yeah.
Whoa. Okay. So you've mixed it. Yeah, it took you about 30 minutes maybe.
There's still glue at the bottom though, but it's looking.
It's getting there.
Yeah.
So
Put more activator in.
do what?
More activator.
More activator. Yeah, it's pretty sticky, but you're right, you're getting there. It might be, you can still see some glue down here. Okay, so where are we at now?
We are done.
Wow. Look at that, pull away from the edge. Dude, that is crazy. Get it, Hailey. Get it all to one side. Get it all to one side. You can do it. You can do it. Go, go, go. Yeah!
I'll count that as a win.
I count that as a win too.
Okay.
How was it?
It was okay. It was kind of hard to, you know.
It's hard work.
Yeah.
Well, you did that in less than an hour.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty
One
amazing with
person.
one person. So you ready to show your sister?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's a big bubble.
Right.
It's rising.
I love the color, baby blue. Cause that's that because of the slime.
$5 gallons, Macey.
I'm gonna come back 50.
50?
Maybe. You just made me mad, so now I'm coming at you.
Dude, that is crazy.
You made me mad.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
I thought it was you.
So what are you doing right now?
I'm about to dip my feet in slime.
Oh
Ready?
my goodness.
Oh! It's cold. It's stuck on me.
It's cold?
Yeah, it's really cold. It's cold. It's cold.
Oh my goodness.
It does look like I have slippers on.
Yeah, it does. He has some blue fuzzy slippers.
It's hard up.
Can you pull them out? Oh my goodness, that's not a good idea.
I'm like stuck. I'm
Yeah.
like stuck to the bottom.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna be able to get out. Get one leg out. See if you can get one leg out. Oh, okay. You did. Awesome. So was it worth it?
Yeah.
It was worth it. That's cool, man. Hey-o!
Okay. A tip for getting slime off your foot. Oh, it's funny.
How are you gonna get this off with your feet?
I have no idea. Okay, maybe I could get in there.
Getting glue? Getting glue! Getting glue! Getting glue! Hailey loves it when I say that. You guys like it in the comments. You guys always put hashtag getting glue. You did it! Time for a little summer sweet run. Woo! No Macey, she stayed back. She is well, she's gaming with Annie, so so we have our order. We're gonna head to Sonic and try to grab us something summer sweet. Ooh, cookie dough.
New chocolate chip cookie dough.
Custard or concrete, custard concrete. Transformers.
Wait, I'm still looking. I might
Decisions, guys. What did you get? Oh, pretzel dogs. Looks like a potato.
It does. I'll try
does,
to go
it
back
does.
in there. I got an Oreo cheesecake shake.
Oreo cheesecake shake, and Macey got a chocolate shake, and I got a Butterfinger concrete. And Chas got some sleep because she goes to bed early, so she already went to sleep. So that's what she got. Okay, so it's kind of perfect that Hailey was wearing the Greers shirt today. This is a one-off, though. This is a special one, long sleeve. But you guys, you can get your very own Greers shirt by going to the link down in the description. So you can go to thegreersvlog.com/store and order your shirt. They are $12.99 a shirt, plus shipping and handling, and they will include a free sticker while supplies last. I guess I should say that, or while stickers last. Anyways, you guys have been awesome. You're amazing to support us each and every single day. Thank you so much for watching our videos.
No.
Thank you for liking them. Oh yeah, that looked like a potato. That looked like a potato. Good call, Hailey. Good call. High five. Good call. But thank you so much for supporting our videos, liking our videos, commenting and talking to us in the comments every single day. But most importantly, watching and subscribing. So if you aren't subscribed yet to the Greers, go ahead and click that red subscribe button, make it turn gray, then you're subscribed and you're a part of the Greers, you're a part of the family. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye!
Bye!